Usembur Menteri Rangba, Ubadeiru National Vice President ke NPP, Uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulaong. Bakum uparlok batkum kaseng, kesngewduh bu MP Berim Syaraja Sabha, u Dr. Hynrei Roy Karluki, ulai no ya kaseng. Uba Dhar, ula kentat bakadan kejingi syurut hapua kaseng, namar kejing mi ino u Dr. Karluki, ba ulaong, baha kanu kaseng perthai, kibriu ki let kiwan, bat kam dan jing kata satya, namar ladami iwei, le si shispa ngut kiwan rung, bat kejulong kumta haki seng sain perthai.
Yeah, today has submit this resignation from the party. I came to know from our president. Yeah, actually, we asked party, especially asked my friend. We miss him. We miss him. So there isn't no resignation. They didn't say anything. So as party, we miss him. That is the only thing I can say for myself. No, I think there is no conflict at all. I think there is no conflict. I don't say that party will be impact because in a political parties, people come and goes. Maybe one goes, 100 are coming. Sometimes 100 are going, one are coming. So political party keep receiving new friends and some of the old friends used to go out. But yes, as my friend, I miss him. That is the only thing I can say for myself.